हेलो एवरीवन। क्लास 10th पार्ट 2 चैप्टर 1 वीडियो के साथ मैं अजय सिंह। पार्ट 1 वीडियो में हम लोगों ने आई हैव इंट्रोड्यूस द चैप्टर, देन इन पार्ट 2 वीडियो आई हैव डिस्कस्ड the skeletal equation, balanced equation, why we balance the equation, law of conservation of mass, and some examples. Now this is the part 3rd video of this chapter, chemical reactions and equations. In this part we will discuss the type of chemical reactions and also the first type of chemical reaction. So I think let's start. Students, there are basically 4 type of chemical reactions. Basically 4 type of chemical reactions. Those are combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. And the fourth one is double displacement reaction. So the first type of reaction, look at the board. I have written already to save the time. First type of reaction is known as the combination reaction. 4 type of combination: decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and the double displacement reaction. First is the combination reaction. As the name suggests us, that means in this reaction something is combined. 2 or more substances or elements or compounds combine together to form a new single compound. What I have written here, those reactions in which 2 or more elements or compounds combine, elements हों या compounds हों, combine together, एक साथ मिल जाते हैं, and to form a new compound, single compound. These type of reactions are known as the combination reactions. I have written here the general form. Suppose we are having 2 reactants, initial substances. One is A and second is B. After the combination of these 2 elements or maybe compounds or substances, it forms a new compound AB. दोनों आपस में कंबाइन करके एक नया रिएक्शन, एक नया कंपाउंड फॉर्म करते हैं. So these type of reactions are known as the combination reaction. Here are some examples. Look, this is the first example. When magnesium ribbon is burnt in the air or atmosphere, oxygen, it forms the magnesium oxide with heat and dazzling light. चकाचौंध करने वाली रोशनी भी निकलती है, हीट भी इसमें से प्रोड्यूस होती है. So this is the example of combination reaction because magnesium is combining with oxygen and forming a new substance, magnesium oxide. देख सकते हैं MgO. Next, second example is, I have already quoted this example in my previous video, part 2. When quicklime is added to the water, it forms the lime water or slaked lime with the evolution of heat. जब कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड को, when कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, it is also known as the quicklime या चूना पत्थर या अनबुझा चूना, unburnt lime. When it is added with water, पानी में घोलते हैं, डिसॉल्व करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, then it forms the lime water, calcium hydroxide, or it forms the slaked lime used in the process of whitewashing. यहां भी आप देख सकते हैं 2 यहां पर सब्सटेंस हैं, 2 substances are here in this reaction and forming a single compound, calcium hydroxide. नेम बेटा याद कीजिए, दिस इज नोन एज द क्विकलाइन, लाइम वाटर, और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द स्लेगलाइन. In chemical terms, it is the calcium oxide and it is the calcium hydroxide. साथ में हीट भी निकलती है. जब भी हम चूने को पानी में घोलते हैं तो हीट भी उसके अंदर से निकलती है, हिसिंग साउंड के साथ हीट निकलती है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज व्हेन नाइट्रोजन गैस, इट इज N2, is reacted with or combined with hydrogen gas, it forms ammonia. What is it? Ammonia gas. It is the ammonia. It is also one more example of combination reaction because two substances are here, two gases are here and forming a new gas, ammonia. इसको आप फील कर सकते हैं टॉयलेट्स वगैरह में, जहां पर अजीब सी स्टिंकी स्मेल आती रहती है. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द अमोनिया. वन मोर एग्जांपल आई एम हैविंग. When hydrogen gas is reacted with oxygen, दोनों को हम रिएक्ट कराते हैं, it forms water, liquid form. Same, two substances are combining and new substances is forming. One more example I am having. When carbon is burnt, कार्बन को जब जलाया जाता है, in the presence of oxygen, this is solid and this is oxygen, it forms a new substance, carbon dioxide gas. Then साथ साथ में हीट भी रिलीज होती है. यहां भी ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल है. द लास्ट वन आई हैव रिटन हियर. व्हेन, ये रिएक्शन आपने बहुत बार पिछली क्लासेस में पढ़ते चले आ रहे हैं आप. व्हेन सोडियम is combined or reacted with chlorine gas, it forms sodium chloride, common salt. आप इसको टेबल सॉल्ट के नाम से भी जानते हैं, ठीक है बेटा. कॉमन सॉल्ट या किचन सॉल्ट के नाम से भी हम इसको जानते हैं. टेबल सॉल्ट, किचन सॉल्ट, कॉमन सॉल्ट और सोडियम क्लोराइड. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम क्लोराइड. So these here in this example, the two substances are combining and forming a new substances. A plus B, C, 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 and A plus B, C. So all of these examples, I think, good enough to understand what is a combination reaction. Combination reaction, once again, combination reaction is the type of reaction where two substances are combined. दो substance जुड़ जाते हैं, मिल जाते हैं, जुड़ते नहीं, मिल जाते, जुड़ जाते हैं, bond formation हो जाता है, and forms a new substance. This type of reaction is known as the combination reaction. So these are few examples of combination reaction. In later parts we will discuss more examples, but I think these are good enough to understand you what is a combination reaction. Clear? So this is whole about part 3. Part 4 video में I will discuss with you the second type of reaction. It is known as the decomposition reaction. D means टूटना, composition, that means combination. Actually, decomposition reaction is the opposite of combination reaction. It is known as, it is thought as, सोचा जाता है, समझा जाता है. Decomposition reaction is a opposite of combination reaction. But this will be discussed in part 4 video, because decomposition reaction is further categorized into subtypes: thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction, and electrolytic or electrolysis. So to some extent this type of reaction is too large, which cannot be completed together with this reaction in this part. So we will discuss it in part 4 video, decomposition reaction. Till then, revise it, take the screenshot and note down. Thank you. Like it.